The region's largest food and wine event, Flavours of Mudgee, will return this year after a 2-year hiatus on Saturday the 24th of September. More than 70 stallholders will have the region's best food and wine on offer in the picturesque Mudgee CBD along Church and Market Streets between 4 and 8 p.m. $25 adult and $10 kids tasting packages can be purchased from early September at flavoursofmudgee.com.au. New and updated shade sails have been installed in 11 locations throughout the region, including Mudgee, Kandos, Ralston and Golgong. Council secured funding through the New South Wales Government's Resources for Regions Fund to deliver the project. Did you know you can book council halls, showgrounds, sports fields and meeting rooms online? You can also check venue information, availability, hire fees and make, cancel or amend bookings. To see a full list of venues or to book, visit Council's website. Have you lost your pet or are you looking to adopt? You can view an up-to-date register of all animals currently held at Mudgee Pound on Council's website. To report a missing animal, arrange a visit to the pound or inquire about adoption, please get in touch with Council directly on 6378 2850. Local residents have saved thousands of tonnes of organic waste from landfill through the Food and Garden Organics Bin Collection Service since it commenced in 2018. Over the next 12 weeks, as part of the Scrap Together campaign, Council will provide tips, tricks and ideas to help continue to reduce our local landfill waste. Keep an eye on Council's Facebook page for tips.